let's embrace innovative volunteerism. Away, as we go. Rise up, you and me are the solutions to these challenges. Oh yeah, rise up, you and me are the solutions to these challenges. Oh yeah, innovative and volunteerism, food security and youth unemployment.
Kwa majina naitwa Catherine Wanjiko wa Mwangi kutoka Kirinyaga County.
Her name is Catherine Wanjiko and she does cooking business. She makes githeri and she makes beans where she sells them. So prior to this, 3 months ago, she was using charcoal and she was using firewood, and she's saying that it was such a huge loss for her business because each and every week she would spend up to 700 shillings because she would use 100 shillings per day to buy charcoal. And now with the briquettes, she's only using 100 shillings. And these briquettes for 100 shillings will last her a whole week, meaning she's saving up to 600 shillings every week because of using briquettes. Apart from the financial benefit, she's also benefiting in terms of she can use the briquettes inside her house because they're smokeless and they cook for long. So the minute she just puts on her jiko in the morning, it's going to cook the beans, it's going to cook githeri. She won't have to keep on adding the briquettes. So that means that they cook for long and she does not use a lot of it. So it means that she saves also energy while using the briquettes. And she's saying from the benefits that she has seen from the briquettes, she's now talking to multiple women and telling them to use these briquettes because they have various benefits and she's not going to turn back because these briquettes have helped her at home and they have also helped her to grow her business. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Kindly introduce yourself.
My name is Susan Nyawira from Kirinyaga County.
All right, Susan, before using the briquettes, you were using charcoal. And now that you have experienced using briquettes for quite some time now, what would you say are the benefits of using these clean energy briquettes?
Briquettes are good. Mm-hmm. They are cheap. Mm-hmm. They cannot smell. Mm-hmm. They are not smoke. They cannot not smoke.
Yes.
When I using charcoal, I buy 50 every 50 daily. Mm-hmm. When I using briquettes are cheap. Mm-hmm. I buy 110 for a week. Briquettes. It can go for a long time. Briquettes are good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank Karimbu.
With skills retooling, not only did we learn how to make clean energy briquettes, but we also learned how to make these solar dryers. And these solar dryers have been a very vital part of our work because everything that goes into the briquettes and even the usage of it has to pass through the solar dryer. Because the food that people are cooking using the briquettes is dried using these solar dryers. Not only that, the waste that we use to make the briquettes, the cassava peels and even cassava itself to make porridge, we use the solar dryers to dry that. So the cassava peels, the cassava are dried using the solar dryers. And now with that, we now make the clean energy briquettes. After we have done making the clean energy briquettes, they have to also go into the solar dryer to dry so that they are ready to go into the jikos for them to be used. And now you see it is a cycle because even the food that is being cooked using these briquettes has been dried using the solar dryers. So these solar dryers are a very vital part of this clean energy work because these solar dryers help us to dry the briquettes and everything that goes into the briquettes. We have spoken to a number of briquettes users and the feedback has been tremendous. From how the briquettes are smokeless, from how the briquettes are saving the environment, and apart from that, they are saving them financially. We've heard of women who are saving up to 900 shillings in 2 weeks, 1,400 shillings, 1,400 shillings in a span of a month, and that has been great feedback. This shows that the work that we are doing as youth is not only benefiting us, but it is also benefiting the community. This community that is using briquettes. And the same users of briquettes are also encouraging other people to use the briquettes because they have experienced the benefits. From using the briquettes for a span of 3 months, they're now saying that they're not going to turn back to other sources of fuel because these briquettes are excellent in terms of their usage. For those who are using them for business use, they're saying that it has helped even grow their business financially and in every aspect because of also how long they take to cook. So I would urge other youth to continue creating these solutions, these climate action solutions, these clean energy solutions, so that we can create a better today and a better tomorrow. Innovative volunteerism.
This is impact. This is climate action. This is what each and every one of us should do.
Let's embrace innovative volunteerism. Eziko. Rise up. You and me are the solution to these challenges.
Hello, my name is Steffi Maingi, an Ebafosa Innovative Volunteerism actor. As youth, we retooled our skills and now we are making clean energy briquettes from waste. This waste we are using comes from cassava, so cassava peels and also starch from cassava to make the briquettes. So we are turning waste into clean energy briquettes, and today we are here to listen to a few people who have now been using the briquettes so that they can tell us their experience, because they transitioned from using firewood and charcoal and are now using the clean energy briquettes.
Whether it's flood or drought, making millions helpless, my brother. This is an emergency that threatens the future, and we must address this together, Africa. Why Africa is a from North to East Africa, West to South, Central Africa.
Habari yako?
Mzuri.
Kwa majina unaitwa nani?
Genuine.
She's Jane Winoe, and she does hotel business. She cooks mandazi, chapati, tea, and many other food. And she's saying that before this briquettes, she was using charcoal. And now that she's using briquettes, she has seen various number of benefits. 1, they do not have smoke. 2, the longevity, they cook for long. And also 3, with only 2 briquettes, those ones will stay for hours. So she's going to cook a number of food with only 2 briquettes. So it is very economical to her. Apart from that, she's saying that she used to use 900 in 2 weeks to buy charcoal, and now with 200 shillings, she uses briquettes for 2 weeks. So that is saving her up to 700 shillings. That is in a span of 2 weeks. So in a month, she's saving 1,400 using the briquettes. And to those who have not started using briquettes, she's saying that these briquettes are very good. So those who are not using them should start using them because they have various number of benefits. Apart from environmental benefits, health benefits because of no smoke, you see that they are also economical. So they also save you money. And to her, being a business owner, they are saving her money even for her business. Now she can earn more and do more with her business now that she's saving that amount of money. Thank you, Jane.
Hey.
I'm Lois Wawera from Kirinyaga County. I'm a shopkeeper. I sell sugar, gas, power soup, spares, salt, and then now I'm still selling briquettes because I'm using it at home. And now it's a source of my income in my business. They are not smoking, they are cheaper,
Yes.
no smelling. When I was